The long lunge is a great way to build strength for the front split. So the long lunge is much like a regular lunge. You're not going to be stepping out every time, it's just going to be finding the position and then going as far apart with the feet as you are comfortable, where you can maintain the balance, and then drop down as far as you can go, up and down. Nice and controlled in the up, nice and controlled in the down. There is a balance element here, and then maybe after you've warmed up a little bit, you can try going out even further. The important thing is to keep the hips nice and square, and you're going again up and down. You'll need to keep the butt engaged to keep the balance and keep yourself from falling over. So that is the long lunge. You can, if you feel like you have enough grip with your feet, add a little bit of weight. You can use a barbell either on your back or between your legs. I wouldn't go too heavy on this one. It's more about range than load. So that's the long lunge.